He shock you.
So mount your camera on a tripod using landscape mode. After that, record an empty space for a few seconds. Then walk in and make a jump. Then after jumping, you walk out. Locate your stone. Bring your stone. Then throw your stone. Make sure it's at the same point where you landed when you jumped, then you throw the stone. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Like, comment and share this video. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import the video you just recorded. Then adjust front. Go front, you need an empty space. At this place, this point, click on the video and make a split. Then you go and look for overlay. Go and look for overlay. Click on overlay. Then click on the video and drag it to cover. Come and click on this empty space. Click on the empty space. Look for freeze. Look for freeze, guys. Look for freeze. Click on freeze. Click on it and drag it. Then you come back. Then look for that place where you are about jumping up. This place where you are about jumping up, this point, click the video, make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. Hold this one and align it, take it to the beginning. Then at this place where you jump up, here where you are about landing, click on the video and make a split. Here that you are about landing, click on the video, make a split. Then adjust the video, adjust the video. Go and look for your stone now. Look for your stone. Yes, so at this point where you threw the stone, at this point, this is where you click the video and make a split. Click the video, make a split. Delete this center part, we don't need it. Drag this one to align to the first one you have worked on. Align it very well. Make sure it aligned. After aligning it now, the next thing is to click on the video. Click on the video now where the stone is about landing. Click it. Go and look for mask. Click on mask. Click on rectangle. Then cover the stone. Adjust it well. Make it well. Yes. Then come and click on this little line so that to remove every necessary lines that will spoil the video. Then after that you click OK. Let us see what we have got. Good. Our video is ready. At this point we export our video to our gallery. Now at this point you can share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, and click on your notification bell so that YouTube will notify you as our video drops. As it hot, stay safe.